Welcome to our Minecraft Redstone elevator tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to create a functional elevator using redstone. Let's get started. Before we build, let's go over the materials you'll need. Gather redstone dust, sticky pistons, blocks of your choice, and some buttons or levers. First, let's understand how redstone works. Redstone can create a current that powers mechanisms like pistons. When powered, pistons can push or pull blocks, allowing for vertical movement. Now, let's start constructing the base. Begin by laying down blocks in a 3 by 3 square foundation. This will support our elevator shaft. Next, place redstone dust on the blocks we just laid down. We will also place our sticky pistons on the sides, ensuring they face the direction of the elevator shaft. With the base ready, we can now build the elevator shaft. Stack blocks directly above the foundation, leaving space for the pistons to operate. It's time to set up the input mechanism. Place buttons or levers on the side of the shaft at each level where you want to stop the elevator. Let's test our elevator. Activate the buttons to see if the pistons raise or lower the platform. If it doesn't work, check all redstone connections. Once everything is working, it's time for some fun. Enhance your elevator with decorative blocks, lighting, or even glass. Make it your own. Congratulations! You've built your very own redstone elevator. Keep experimenting to create more advanced designs in the future. Happy crafting!